Okay, so I decided to get a new cylinder. My existing one was pretty beat up. You can still get this one from Honda. Thought about it for a while. I figured this would be the best way to go, so let's check it out. This is how it was shipped to me. We'll just put the packing label right on the box. It's a freshie from Japan. Dang.
Dang, this is sharp right here.
Look at the crosshatch in there. Kind of hard to see on camera, but this is sweet. Yeah, I think that will do nicely.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more, and ride on.